Дай мне он... Нке? Нке? Блять, обосрался. Дай мне окр, онкр. Дай мне онкр.
Oh man, I really got a fart.
Was that?
She just left the room. I'm not done.
Jamie reckons he's got another good quote.
If you're farting and you shit yourself, it means you've proved yourself. If you're farting and it's wet, if you're farting and it's wet, that means you've pooed yourself.
Look at what I got for you. Fucking hell, yeah, that one's gonna fucking stink. That is filthy.
Yeah, you can persist over this. But yeah.
That was loud.